Viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Pure cotton fabric long corset collection. This use pure linen cotton blend. Vertically lines embroidery bright blue tone first one. Blue blue color pure cotton bottom. A special pattern embroidery developed. Top and bottom in the price is rupees 1,400. 1400 pure cotton top and bottom in the price. Ready for dispatch express delivery. Inside India product. Next color is green. Beautiful light green tone with embroidery work. Top and bottom 1,400 only. Next is navy blue. Beautiful blue with pink. Washable, long lasting. Office going wear. Try. Thank you.